Masterson, a fine art photographer with over 25 years of experience. Welcome to my YouTube channel, where I share my passion for art infused with my faith and nature. Here, you'll discover how I create soulful, layered images that reflect divine moments and personal journeys. I'll take you behind the scenes, showing lighting techniques, compositing, and unique processes like cyanotype, developing black and white film, and doing pigment transfer prints. Join me to explore my creative spaces, get inspired by tutorials, and see my latest works like Between Worlds. Also, check out my website, erikamasterson.com, for my portfolio and blog for more insights. Please subscribe to dive into art where faith meets creativity. Let's uncover beauty together.